Hello everyone, Corbin Bowman again here at Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota. Today I bring to you our 2007 used Royal Star 1300. As you can see, this black 1300 is in very clean condition with very minimal scratches and leather cracks. These models come with a V4 super smooth shifting engine, as well as super powerful for great highways cruising. Comes with front and rear disc brakes. Here are your front halogen headlights. It is a 5-speed transmission, as well with overdrive, as well as front and rear adjustable air suspension, as well as your highway pegs and your passenger floor pegs. Overall, this bike is made around for comfort. As you can see, even the passengers have amazing foot pegs, as well as the detachable backrest and detachable large windscreen here. This windscreen is known to be able to protect taller riders as well. Their V4 is known to be more balanced than the previous V-twin, make a more lightweight feel coming and go at the stoplights. This is carbureted. Again, as I said, it's a 2007 with little under 12,000 miles. You get cruise control as well as push button start. Your cool retro dash here, which lets you know your speedometer, odometer, your fuel trip, a clock, as well as your fuel gauge and some other light indicators. You get a 5.3 gallon gas tank. These bikes are designed to look air cooled, but they are liquid cooled, with an oversized radiator to keep these things cool on those hot summer days, as well as a hydraulic clutch for your minimum maintenance, so we can spend more time riding. If you're interested in this 2007 Yamaha Royal Star, we are selling it for $5,999. Again, the retail price is $5,999 before freight and prep, as well as financing is always an option. We are located at Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota. If you're looking to give us a call, we are at 507-288-1084. And ask for Corbin, and I can get you right. Have a wonderful day, folks.